Hello, my name is Emma. My name's Eli. Today, our mommy will be making crispy egg noodles for lunch today. Stay tuned.
Well, that was a nice introduction. Hi, I'm Linda. Welcome back to the ourthai home kitchen. As my kids have already told you, we'll be making crispy egg noodles today. So like always, we're going to start off by prepping all our veggies. So let's start off with some carrots. We're going to julienne them. Then we've got some red peppers here. Then we've got some green peppers. And some broccoli. What's so great about the crispy egg noodle is whatever veggies you have, you can just throw it in. So I've already cut up my chicken, and we have some egg noodles here. Before we fry our egg noodles, we want to blanch them in hot water first to soften it up. Drain it and make sure that it is dry before we put it in the hot oil. We have some hot oil here that we're going to use to deep fry the crispy egg noodles. So once the oil is hot, we're going to drop this in. So this just needs a minute or two to crisp up. And we're just going to transfer it over to some paper towel to soak up the rest of the oil. Now we can start with our sauce. As the pan heats up on medium-high heat, we're going to make sure that all of our ingredients are on hand so we can add it when needed. So a little bit of oil. And we're going to add in our chicken first. We're going to add in our Thai sauce. This is about 8 ounces. As the sauce simmers, we're going to add in our vegetables. We're now going to thicken the sauce with a cornstarch slurry. So just a tablespoon of cornstarch, a tablespoon of water, and we're going to mix this well until the cornstarch is dissolved. And I'm just going to pour it into the sauce. And then you can see immediately that the sauce thickens up. This is all done. All right. Now all you gotta do is pour the sauce on top of the crispy egg noodle. Now for the true test. Doesn't it smell good, guys?
Yes.